One misstep, one shift in the wind enough to reverse the course of fate entirely. Beneath the deceptive stillness of dry grasslands, death lingers perpetually close. One error, and even the proudest creature instantly becomes a loon. The sun scorches the African plains. The prolonged dry season has transformed the grasslands into a carpet of burnt gold, where every drop of water becomes a reason to kill. This is the savannah, a realm governed by no law but the law of the strong. Or at least, that is what most people believe. A lone lioness breaks away from her pride. She has not eaten in 3 days, and hunger is driving her toward a desperate gamble. Target, a male zebra grazing less than 165 feet away. Simple enough if the lion were truly invincible. "60% of a lion's musculature consists of fast twitch fibers, enabling an explosive surge from stillness to 37 miles per hour in just a few strides. Yet a lion's heart accounts for merely 0.5% of its body weight, a powerful engine, but one that cannot sustain. The chase must end within 30 seconds, or the hunter becomes the loser. The lioness launches into a burst of speed. Those hundreds of interlocking black and white stripes serve not as camouflage amid the grass, but to generate motion, dazzle a visual illusion at high speed. Through the hunter's eyes, the zebra's body outline blurs, making it impossible to calculate the precise distance and timing for a decisive strike. The hunter halts, panting heavily, and concedes defeat. A solitary lioness succeeds only 17 to 19% of the time. The apex of the food chain fails 4 out of every 5 attempts.